be tying the Zara cap, and I have this paper. I'm going to fold it like this. Yes, so that can give me that cap. This is the scarf for using Asoke. I'm going to put the paper in the middle and fold to get that fold. I'm going to just tie. When you're tying your Zara cap, ensure that you put it on your forehead. It gives you one kind of fit. So when you're doing this, you make sure that your Asoke the design comes out well. If you notice, I just had to shift mine. I'm going to knot it at the back. Remember, it's 2 equal sides. Yes. Okay. So you can decide to bring it to the front or to the back. Just going to wrap it. And stuck it in. So I'm just going to twist. You can actually tie a Zara cap without using any form of pin.